Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this Zendaya inspired makeup look. I basically am attempting to do her whole big curly hair, eyeshadow, big eyebrow look, arched eyebrows, because mine are not arched, but I try my best. And today I'm going to be talking a little bit about my channel, just a little bit, because you know, the background, I couldn't talk that much. But if you guys are interested to see how I did this look, go ahead and keep watching the video, and always be sure to subscribe for more content, and also hit the like button, because you know, it doesn't hurt. It's free to hit that like button. So yes, hit the like button if you like my makeup, or if you like this look, and subscribe if you want to see more from me. Yeah, thank you guys for watching. Enjoy the video. Let's look like Zendaya.
So in that look with Zendaya, she doesn't have a lot going on in terms of like contour, because her cheekbones are already like super structured, super perfect, so it doesn't really look like she wears too much makeup. So I'm going to be really light-handed with this, and I'm just going to tap a little bit of foundation in. I'm going to try to add another layer, just for, because I'm looking at the picture, I'm like, I'm gonna do one more layer, because she had, it looks pretty full coverage what she had on, but it doesn't look like she had like too much going on, because like her eyes were left basically the same. She just had like a little bit like in her face, but we're gonna be trying to do that minimalist. So yeah, I thought to talk a little bit about my channel and where I believe it's headed. So I've been trying to stick with mostly makeup videos, but I've been making a couple of videos outside of that, outside of like my niche. And I hope that you guys are like cool with that, because obviously I don't know what you subscribe to me for. If you subscribe to me for makeup or whatever you subscribe to me for. But either way, I haven't been able to do like too much video potentially wise, because just doing a lot of things right now. So like I started my YouTube, and the whole thing is about starting, you know, getting everything started, and I had to push myself to start, knowing that I didn't have all this equipment, didn't have everything like all the other YouTubers have, but it was about just starting. That was it. I don't have a lot to use, but you know, I'm planning on getting a lot of things pretty soon. I know I always say that, but actually I'm gonna use this because it's better, it doesn't fall everywhere. But yeah, so it's a lot of things I want to do, but also I have to like just stay motivated. I've been having a lot of things that I needed to get done first before I focus like solely putting money into my channel. You know, obviously I want to see like a lot of growth, and I hope that everyone who is subscribed enjoy watching my videos. And if they have any suggestions, you guys can feel free to leave that down in the comments. Like, I answer really fast, and I just want to have a community right now. The only thing I expect from my channel really is to just like grow, and I'm pushing, and I want to have a bunch of people to kind of watch my videos and get inspired, laugh, and laugh, you know, because the there's a lot more to me than just makeup. I know that, and there's a lot of things I like, but I also know that there's certain things I have to stick to, which is makeup primarily. Happy that 55 people subscribed to me. Like, that's amazing that even 55 people are willing to watch me. One of my videos got 118 views, and then I got 2.2k views on my lavender look, and it was amazing for me because obviously I want that, but also I need that like push to like keep going, obviously. And I just hope that you guys can tell me like exactly what you want me to do, because obviously I'm here for you guys, and I just want to keep making these videos for not only because it's fun, but just to be on such a platform where you can meet amazing people. So with my eyebrows, it's gonna be a little tricky because Zendaya's eyebrows are like so arched, and I don't have those perfectly arched brows like she does. So that's one thing like that's really hard for me to replicate, because it's me. I'm not an eyebrow person. But let's see if we can do it. Actually, I'm gonna look in this little mirror because I always try to look in the camera just so you guys can get a direct look. I'm really not an eyebrow person. I'm trying my best. But yeah, I'm really glad that you guys subscribe to me. Be sure to like follow me on social media, want to connect with me. I really do enjoy doing these videos for you guys. And obviously there's a lot more to me than makeup, and I think I was just trying to broadcast that, but I'm probably like not gonna broadcast that much anymore. I was doing vlogs and stuff, but I'm gonna just get back to doing what I normally do. You know what I'm saying? I know my like eyebrows look super gray because I do use gray to make my eyebrows anyway. So they look a little bit ashy. It's because I'm putting more than I normally put, which is understandable. But I'm trying to get that thick eyebrow, but don't worry because I have a color of black that I always lay over it, but I feel like black is really extremely harsh on my eyebrows, so I go with gray because it just I try to put black and I hate it every single time, so I'm just gonna stick with my normal. Oop. There's all this hair. There's like hair in the brush. Okay. So yeah, I'm just gonna brush my eyebrows with this black so you see like it's getting black again. This gel's from Anastasia. It's really good. It keeps the brows right in place. I also want to get that Fenty Beauty brow thing. Like it's like a glue. Looks really amazing. Color is coming back. I mean, I say eye color. My brows are coming back. Going back to black. But yeah, I love this brow gel. Actually, you should go get some more. Let's see what I'm doing. I'm just following my eyebrows direction and brushing the black back into the brows. For those thick brows that Zendaya has. She is thick. Now I'm just gonna go back, rub that in. Brush that gel in. So yeah, now I'm just gonna go with Passion. Do a little bit of Passion because it looked like she had like a little bit of a darkish, purplish going on color. So yeah, I'm gonna try that. I'm only taking like the tiniest bit because she does not have that much. Like her face is like, you don't need that much makeup to look stunning, you know. So yeah, I'm just putting a little bit of that purplish in the crease, and then just keep blending it. Her makeup looks really blended out. Now I'm gonna go in with volatile, and I'm just gonna like give this crease a little bit more depth. It's like a dark brown shade. Just like basically just go like that. Right there in the crease, like right there. So I'm just gonna have a little bit of white because she did have white out of the modern Renaissance right there. One thing Zendaya had was she had blush. Can't get it open. Yeah, she had blush. So we're gonna put some blush because she had blush. So that's what we're doing. At first I used to hate blush. I thought it was really old lady, but now I actually like it. I'm just gonna go back in. I feel like some of the shadow shimmer shades got on the crease. And now I'm going to be putting this mascara on. I'm gonna go ahead and add my highlight. She's highlighted. Applying that there. Now I don't wear bottom lashes, and I never wore bottom lashes, so we're not gonna put bottom lashes. But we're gonna rock the natural lashes because those are equally as good. I'm gonna take this big blendy fluffy brush and just blend out this because it looked like in her photo this was like super brushed out that you cannot even almost see it. So I'm just gonna fix it up and keep blending. She really has like strong brows. So yeah, this is much better. Zendaya had the little brown lip liner, so we're gonna do the same thing. And not too much. Just to get that little dark that she had right there. I don't know what color she used because I can barely tell because her eyes look almost hooded. I'm loving the big eyebrows going on. They look really cute. They're thick, and they're there. I wouldn't do this on a normal basis, but this is for the Zendaya look that we're going for. Next up is hair. You already know she had that big glamorous hair, and that's what we're going to be imitating today. So I don't have her outfit, but we're going to try our best to make her outfit. I'm going to go ahead and do my hair off camera, and I'm going to show you guys like the whole look. Put this on replay. Listen to it all.